Are you ready?
Yep.
You steady?
Yep.
Here we go.
Got him.
What's going on, everybody? My buddy Auth and I just wrapped up an awesome day of small game hunting here in Idaho. Right now the conditions are perfect for rabbit hunting as there's no snow and the snowshoe hares are white, so they're very easy to spot, and we had a great day. We took along Auth's dog Boy, who's an awesome squirrel dog, but he was actually helpful, especially towards the end of the day with finding some rabbits. So we're gonna dive right into this episode and I hope you all enjoy. All right, well, we are back out, and this time we're looking for some snowshoes. So it's Auth and I, and we're back up north, and we're gonna have a good day. So it's we got perfect conditions right now because we got no snow, and the snowshoes are white, so we should be able to see them real easy. We're gonna make our way up and see what we get into, but looking forward to it. I had a feeling this morning.
Oh, I feel amazing. I want to kill. Oh, I got one. Hassenpfeffer.
Oh,
it's the only word we need today.
Just coming down here just as we're getting back and bumped a little squirrel, so we're getting desperate, so we're gonna see if we can get him. Right there. See him? Right there.
Yep. I don't think I got him. There's too much brush. I put the bead on him, but it was like as he was going behind like a bunch of limbs and stuff, so fairly certain I didn't get a pellet in him, but
He looks fairly unscathed.
yeah.
Good boy. Oh.
Go. Okay, whatever you do, if he starts getting nervous, just stop and take him. Just cruising through this spot, thick as hell, and I just randomly saw this snowshoe. It's like 50 yards up here, so Auth is gonna get the 22, and we're gonna see if we can get him. It's exciting. Boy, here. No, shit. No. I'm ready whenever.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Just take your time.
Hit. Got him. Congrats, dude. Dude.
First snowshoe.
Well, I can't believe we made that happen. It's been a struggle today. Like, we have been to the third spot, like just going and pounding the ground, and we have not been able to find a thing. And finally we made it happen.
That's like shooting a big deer. Wow.
Should we walk up to him?
Yeah, absolutely. I want Boy to figure out what's going on.
Let's go. Where's the rabbit? Where's it?
Good boy. Did you get a rabbit? Is that a rabbit, buddy? Is that a big rabbit? What is it?
Beautiful snowshoe.
What is it, buddy?
Dude, he's beautiful.
Bro, his leg's broken.
Is it you?
I didn't hit the leg.
It must be. He must have gotten chased by something. Dude, it's like broken in half.
Yeah,
that's
that's
something
like
else.
snap,
That's something
dude.
else. What if you
They're so pretty. They're like gorgeous little critters. Pretty good sized critters, dude. My goodness.
That's gonna eat well.
Oh wow! Look at. It's like it's got less going on. Like it's
Yeah.
falling apart. Like it has been broken for a while.
I think that's what it is. I think it just got broken earlier.
Wow. It's probably a good thing we took him.
Yeah. What do you think of that, boy?
What do you think, bud?
What do you think of that?
What do you think?
Good boy. Good boy.
Well, day 2, and we're already back at it and we found one.
Yeah, we've been at it what, like 10 minutes?
Yep.
And I can see him. He's about 10 yards away, sitting behind whatever that is. So
We were saying, like,
I think I can get a bullet right between. I've got a little gap right there.
okay, if you feel like you got it, go for it.
Can you hold him?
Boy. Oh, good boy. Boy, come here. Oh, you a good boy.
You ready, bud? When I shoot, let him go, okay?
Okay.
Unless I miss.
All right, you're good. Oh, I just let him go.
Got it. Go get him, buddy. Go get him. Go get him, buddy. Let's run him a little bit. Boy, get it.
Shoot him again if he's running.
He's in a hole. He's in a hole.
No way. Did he get away?
No, he's here. I got it. Boy, come here. Get him, boy. Boy, get him. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. Get him, buddy. But I think that answered a question. They certainly do have holes.
They definitely do. we were talking about that yesterday.
Yeah, we were wondering if they like get in the ground or anything to hide, and I mean that's a burrow.
Dude.
Good thing you didn't go like get away, but you can see he's. I don't know how deep it goes.
He definitely went in there. But just a beautiful. I mean, look at that coat.
Yeah,
like just gorgeous.
That was pretty cool.
Well, we're gonna have to find another one. It's been a slow year so far, but we're starting to find more of them. So.
No, that's not one.
Is it?
I thought I did.
There's all this like there's like these birch logs, and they look exactly like snowshoes. So we've done so many double takes, but like we're barely in on this property. We'll find more for sure. And I spooked another one up there when I was in here a couple days ago. So, dude, congrats.
I don't know why I'm so hyped, dude.
It's just fun, bro. Like it's just so fun. That's all.
Yeah, I can't tell, dude. There was a function in that hare's side. That was what he started on as a puppy.
Yeah, when they
He understands them.
for sure.
Well, man, if I do like you next Friday, I'm gonna be outside.
I pressed record like a half second after you shot.
Go get squirrel. Go get squirrel.
Made our way up here, and Off said,
He's looking up.
he's looking, he doesn't know where it is.
Go get him, buddy. Go.
Off said, squirrel right there. And I pressed record about half second too late. He shot and he dropped him right down in this log. So boy's trying to make his way over there, but I think he's
Not
concerned.
successful. He's gonna need a little help.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go down there and get him. But hey, I was telling Off, I was like, the small game triple, grouse, squirrel, snowshoe, and now we got 2 out of the 3. So if we find a grouse, that'd be a damn good day.
That would be. Let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
Finally, you found something for us, dude. Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh, you just, wow. That is the number to that squirrel right there.
Heck yeah. Good boy. Is that squirrel? Is that squirrel? Good boy. Massive trophy.
Big old boy. Oh, what do you think of that?
What do you think about that, dude?
Squirrel dog.
Good boy.
Got a double, so. Oh, this is hilarious.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see if I can get up.
Figured out some way. Oh, that was easy.
He made it.
Maybe.
Dude, there's like a f***ing squirrel sign right there.
Yeah?
Be ready. I think he might be right here. Like it's all piled on that rock right there. Nice little chute right here. Okay, I'll wait for him to go through. You going through, boy? Oh, no, oh, is he? So we're getting back into this stuff. I just shot that squirrel, and I think we'll just sit down here for a minute. There's some squirrel sign right in this little rut here. My theory is maybe the squirrels are hearing us going underground or up in a tree and then wait until we leave for whatever reason. So we're gonna sit, see if this one pops out. My GoPro's rolling. I'm good whenever you are.
Yeah, I'm good.
Get him, boy! Get him! Get him! That one ain't going far. Yeah, he's right there. Oh yeah, what's that? That's a squirrel. Oh, he's got him. Old red squirrel on the board. We're on the board. Turns out GoPro's the only thing we got, but that's all good. I mean, it's just a squirrel. And so anyways, there's definitely squirrels back here. So we're gonna keep going and throw this guy in the pack, and I think we'll find some more. So we're doing good. Got a little bit of a roll going. Let's see if we can keep it going.
You're such a good boy. I'll go find a rabbit.
I mean,
Is that a second one up there or no?
I'll get the scope on him.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yep.
You steady?
Yep.
Here we go. Did I hit high?
Nope, miss. Got him.
He's done. I think I hit high in the first one.
Yeah, I think you did.
He's done.
Because he didn't even react.
Heck yeah. Dude, on the board, let's go! First snowshoe of the year, let's go.
No idea what's going on.
Dude, hell yeah.
It's crazy that they tuck back in the rocks like that.
Man, that's pretty. Oh, what's that, boy? Absolutely gorgeous.
I can see in there where he's at. Unless he went in a hole, I mean.
Coming down this little face here, just shot that other snowshoe and found another one. So he ran around and he should be right over here. So I'll on the 22, see if we can get him as well. This would be the third of the day. I'm gonna loop a little bit here, so in case he runs out. He didn't come out of there.
I didn't saw him come out.
Okay.
So, I feel like I would have seen him come out.
He's probably just in there.
I'd say these rocks make holes and caves and all kinds of stuff.
Damn, man.
I don't think we're getting him. Well, I guess that's why they like rock piles, huh?
We are
Lost.
We're not lost. We're just in a.
Doomed.
We're doomed. We're making our way down, but we are currently in what I would consider a ocean spray choked hellhole. It's rabbit season. We just came around this corner and there's this damn snowshoe right here. So I'll this up. This is him. That's probably. Can't see it. There's this. Ready? Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to do about him. Boy.
It didn't go through.
Boy.
No, it's not going through. It's not going through. Did he get it?
Boy, come here.
I'll get shotgun.
Go up there. Go.
Oh, I got him.
Right here.
Let's go get him. Go. Come on, boy. Go get him. Go get him, buddy.
No way you got that.
Dude. That was fun.
That was freaking awesome. That was a rodeo.
Good boy.
Dude. I can't believe you got him.
I could have shot him running across, but I didn't have safety off.
Yeah,
And boy was too close.
unbelievable.
Ah.
I can't believe you got that.
Oh, yeah. Nice snowshoe.
Dude, boy was absolutely running that hare. I mean,
Good boy. Hey, boy. Good boy. You did such a good job.
he about caught him. He was
He
right
did.
on his
He was
tail.
right on the butt. Good boy. You did so good. You're a good boy.
We were coming around this bend, did not expect to see one here. Right off the road there, and all took 2 shots, and it just didn't get through.
Yeah, I mean, I could see that, like, there was a lot of brush between it. Like, I just put it on him and shot. He's like 10 yards. Like, I know I was on him, but nothing. Like, he didn't even flinch. So I knew the bullet was just hitting twigs and crap, but I had to sprint and grab the shotgun because he ended up busting, and boy took off after him, and like made a big loop thing and crossed the road, shucked a shell in, and finally got a shot and got him. So.
All right, well, we came up to the top here, found a nice little saddle here, and it's lunchtime. My stomach is, oh, that's perfect. My stomach's growling a little bit, and we got some squirrels and we got a snowshoe, so I think we'll make a little fire here and try to roast this squirrel up. and get a little fuel before we make our way back to the truck. So we'll make a little fire here and see what we can do. Shirts and pants. Is that what you guys call it?
Yeah.
It's the best way to do it right there.
It didn't work great. Tail ripped off.
Shout out Noah Cray from Michigan.
Got a lighter.
I've got one too.
I got a ferro rod with that. Oh, you had a torch, bro.
Okay, full honesty, I bought this at the beginning of the year, and they didn't sell regular matches. That's why I bought this.
Oh, too rotten. Find squirrels. Best meat in
that's
Idaho.
gonna fall.
Oh no.
Try to re-duct tape or something. There underneath it.
Hey, man.
My gosh, you're majestic.
Look at that. Beautiful dog.
I think he's a phenomenal companion, but he doesn't seem to be the world's greatest.
Well, we pulled these squirrels off, and surprisingly, we tried a back leg off each one of them, and it's actually pretty good. And I know that's a hot take, but
What
it's
did it be?
okay.
We were talking a lot of smack. We really were. I was like, this is gonna be so tough. Like, this is not gonna be enjoyable. But I kid you not, it's actually really good. It's like what, a 4 or 5 out of 10.
Yeah.
You know, if you had salt and butter, it would be like.
We were thinking it was gonna be like a 0 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm kind of impressed. A little bit of that side belly
Boys
meat
just
action.
staring in there. Cooked pretty good, honestly. Yeah.
I'm so surprised it's not tough. Like, I can
It's
chew
not
that.
tough at all.
Like,
No.
I can chew that, no problem.
Salt would definitely add a lot. Butter would add a lot, but it's really not bad. Boy. Oh, that's so good, isn't it? It's crunching.
I mean, I think it speaks for itself that I'm actually eating it. If we were choking this down,
Yeah, like I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
yeah,
I mean, I am super hungry though. So.
a little spine bone.
Well, that was nothing but a good time. Shot a couple rabbits, shot a couple squirrels, almost got the triple with the grouse, but weren't able to close the deal. But had an awesome time eating some squirrel up here, and honestly was surprised with how good it was. So Alth and I and old boy here are gonna make our way back towards where we parked, and that's gonna do it for this one. But hope you enjoyed this one. We sure had a heck of a time out here. That's right, boy. You have a good time, boy? Oh, you had a good time.
Say, guys, I'm ready to go.
All right, let's go.